All right, guys. This is my last day in Jamaica for now, and I'm just here getting something to eat. So this is the buffet line here. Yeah. So, guys, thank you for watching. Thank you for supporting the channel. Yes, my last day in Bahia. So I'm just going to grab something and head off to the airport. So sit back and relax and enjoy the tour to my next destination. All right. Yes. See the full line here. There's Peterman over there. This is the vegetable section. Yeah. So I really enjoy it here. But you know, as my channel said, DMAC 4K World Tour, I have to keep continuing. So some of you guys ask me for requests to do other places, but for now I just have to keep moving until I come back to Jamaica. Yes. So when I come back to Jamaica, you will see again. Yeah. So I'm just gonna have a bite and get ready for the airport. All right, so keep watching, guys, and thanks for your support again. You know. All right.
You good?
Yes.
All right, big up yourself.
Big up yourself.
Yeah, man.
And take care, yeah?
Yeah, man, big up yourself.
See you next year.
I hope, you know.
Definitely.
All right. Next year. Watch it, man. Ah,
If
that's what I know say next year I come. Yeah.
All right.
All right, enjoy safe journey.
Yeah, man. All right. All right. Just get ready to go now. Yep. Hey, what's up? Hey, my friend. What you say? You all right?
So far.
All right. Take care. Yeah, man. Yeah. Let's run up the stairs here. Run up the stairs here. Get fit. That's the drop. All right. Nice sunshine. Gonna miss Jamaica sunshine for a while. But that's how it goes, you know? Yeah. All right, guys, just reached at the airport, so just all go inside and check in now. All right, so after I check in, I resume back to you. All right, so stay tuned, right? All right. Airport a little bit busy this morning. Everybody trying, rushing to go back home. Yeah.
Come on, Mama.
So this is the check-in area over there, guys. So all right. So this is the departure area of the airport. All right. Where you can get your luggage wrapped, but I think you have to pay some money to get it wrapped. That is the cost up there, and you can also get it way here. Alright, so I'm going to security now, so I'm going to turn off the phone, you know. Alright. Okay, so this is the duty-free section, you know. All right. Yes. Now from over there, sir. It's a long walk to the gate, you know. What? Actually there. All right. All right, guys. See you on the other side. All right, I'll see you in the plane. All right. Hello, hello.
Afternoon, welcome aboard.
All right.
Hey, boy. You good? You got chocolate baby as well. I need a door.
Okay, then. Okay, guys, well, I'm back in the UK now, but UK is not my final destination. Okay, I'm just here for a couple of days and then move on to my next destination. All right, so thanks for your support, thanks for watching, and wherever I go, keep supporting the channel, guys. All right, thanks for everything. All right. Okay, guys, just come through immigration, and this is the baggage area. So I'm gonna collect my bag and get the taxi now. So thanks for watching. Remember to like, share, and subscribe. All right.